Shekhar, out of various advanced certification from Scrum Alliance, like Advanced Scrum Master, CSPSM, Advanced Certified Product Owner, or the CAL, which program you are seeing is becoming more popular out of the various offering based on what you observe in your customer segment?
Well, it's more of ACSM, Advanced Certified Scrum Master, and the reason is like there are various reasons. One, there are some people who wanted to renew their CSM. That's one set of people. And then they have some experience. I would not say a perfect experience, yes, but they have some experience. They try working in an organization with Scrum, and you have fairly decent number of people who were really struggling with Scrum. Mm-hmm. So I can always say that based on my conversations with a lot of people so far, they have been literally struggling implementing Scrum. So yes, so one thing is they come to ACSM, and one of my surprising fact over a period of time is it takes them at least half a day to realize that whatever they are doing is not Scrum. They are doing something else, and they call it as Scrum. Mm-hmm. And I see this more often these days. People do whatever they want and call it as Scrum. So that's also something, that's a trend going on in the market, just doing whatever you want and calling it as Scrum. So yeah, that's primarily large section of people. And then the other thing is you have a certain section of people who are very, very serious Scrum Masters. And they have been trying so many things, and it was not working for them. And when we explore deeper into the problem, I got a sense that there are serious systemic issues in that organization, where most of the Scrum implementations only happen at the bottom of the organization, and middle and top, they literally don't care about Scrum or whatever it is. They just want the delivery to happen. So this is another set of people where they try a lot of Scrum, and then they just give up at some point of time. Either they come back to traditional ways of working, or our Scrum Master will quit and go and join a different organization, and the same story repeats. I would say if I have to distribute, 20-30% of the people, they want their CSM to be renewed with ACSM. And remaining set of people, they were literally struggling with Scrum. They were serious Scrum Masters, literally struggling with Scrum. And they want all the answers for their problems. And then that's why they come into this one, ACSM. And this is how I see this split happening. Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm picking up it is that out of various advanced certification, ACSM is relatively popular. And I can sense that because CSM is the most popular product of Scrum Alliance. So there is a high probability of the second level certificate is also becoming more popular relative to others. And since the popular certificate has a more population, requires more people renewing that certification, so that also becomes a kind of a reason for people to take an ACSM. And other is that we have been trying to do Scrum, but we are unable to do it. Probably after doing a little bit more study, more experience, more discussion, we can find some answers and take it forward. And that's a second set of population who comes to ACSM class. So that's a curious, and many times when you interact in the class, you also observe that many of their implementations may be something which and you feel that they should not be called Scrum, those implementation. They should call it something, but rather than calling it Scrum. Yeah.